Aggregation in Java. Aggregation is a special form of association. It is a sort of relationship between two classes like association. However, it is a directional association, which means it is strictly a one-way association. It represents has a relationship. Aggregation example in Java. For example, let us consider two classes, student class and address class. Every student has an address, so the relationship between the student address has a relationship. But if you consider it's vice versa, that it would not make any sense. Like any as an every address doesn't need to have a student necessarily. Now let us write an example in Java. So to understand this example, you need to know that when we talk about class is a complex data type. Class and structure or struct is a complex data type. Now, when we talk about complex data type, that means we can also consider and take it as defining a data type, which we are going to see in this program. In this, we have a class address. Then we have different data types and functions. We have another class, student class. In this, we have different data types and different functions. Apart from this, you can see that we have another function, we have another variable, address student ADR. Address is neither a function nor a variable. It is a class which has come from the previous section. So it is defining a complex data type. So student ADR has the following part in its section. So this comes under the as a complex data type which we have used over here. Now let us come to the main function. In the main function we have created an object AD. Then we have created another object OBJ. Now when you create an object OBJ and another we have add. Now we have obj.roll number, obj.student name, obj.student ADR.student num, street num. Now you can see that from where it came. Student ADR. Student ADR is coming from this part, and this part is going to refer. Now when we talk about this part, what is this part? This part is referring to this class. Now this class is referring to all these variables which we have. So in this, from here it is coming street name. Now you can see that another street name or another string variable which we take it from here. So this shows about the above example shows the aggregation between student and address class. You can see that in student class I have declared a property of type address to obtain student address. It is a typical example of aggregation in Java. Now why do we need aggregation? To maintain a code reusability. You can see that once the code has already been written in the previous part or previous class, we use the same code as a variable as a complex data type which is used in the next class. Now to understand this, let us take an example, same example again. Suppose there are two other classes, college and staff, along with above two classes, student and address. In order to maintain student's address, college address and staff address, we do not need to use the same code again and again. We just have to use the reference of address class while defining class of each class. Like student has an address. Now has a relationship between student and address. College has an address, has a relationship between college and address. Staff has an address, has a relationship between staff and address. Now, hence we can improve the code reusability by using aggregation relationship. That means the address part which we have defined can be used in all three parts: students, college, and staff. Now, if I have to write the program, I would like to write this. You can see this. Now, what is happening? We have address. In the address part, we have defined all the parameters, functions, and variables of the class address. Then we have student class, then we have the college class, then we have the staff. You can see that every class, we are going to use a complex data type, that is address, employee address. So this is going to refer to that class, and then we have the employee address. Now as you can see that we didn't write the code in any of the three classes. We simply created the hazard relationship with the address class to use the address code. The dot part in the above code can be replaced with the public static void main method in the code, and it would be similar to that. We have